Mankind are too cold. Bad mind though, me reach my goal. Sponge LV. If you follow them talk, you know me.
Welcome back all of my viewers and all of my subscribers. You see me, a day trendy dancer. And naturally before we jump in it, me I gotta ask you to subscribe if you're new. And we are gonna talk about where the description of the video says, so you know the style the artist is known by Knaxx. You see me, but the artist, believe me.
See them a try fight, but me fight back. Now stop till me win a guide, man. Now me see everything playing a pilot. Fake people they run up a dance.
Yeah man people, so I need to forget check out that song there if you not check it out as yet, and I need to check it out on him next single before that called Pesh. I'm told him, man. Yes right, so the artist say yo, when you see him I talk some good things about him, man. Fair enough. Facts is the facts, yo, you see me? You know the styling of people, I know average amount on supposed to. You're not familiar with him face already by now, you see me? Yeah man, you want to do him thing, man. Knaxx, big up yourself, you see it? So on to the next we go, though.
I be like, you know what I mean? Bad man coming off. Yeah, free me hard.
Yeah, I'm Tony, man. Oh, you mean? So, Rygin King, you know the song you call Ruption, it been dropped like 2 months or so. So, the video has been released, you see me? I like the visuals so far too, you see me, peeps? And, you know, say, me, I gonna make this clear. But I want to feel like Rygin King or some normal artist. You hear that? The dog have a unique voice, first and foremost. Plus, the song them, the type of music where him utter and sing, it better than enough of them artists who say them a chop and them a do this and them a do that. You hear that? Some people are gonna agree, some people are gonna disagree, but that's how it go. You see me? Yeah, man. So it boiled down to Jahvillani now, though. Yeah, dog. So watch a prayer now. You see, the wild side government boss has like posted a picture of a young baby, you see it around. Never all a month good, you see me? Yeah, man, so we are going to talk about the newborn, yo.
Man higher than a first class flight. You can't hype a man when he got fuck your girl last night.
Yeah, man, people, so see the baby here, you see me? Where the general post, you see me? So, me is nobody to define say him favor him or not. You can see say, yo, he's a young baby that, you see me, and get some time, but as you know, can see people would have, the rumor would have go around say one girl, one of them whitey they from over. So one of them man, some the father, top people they probably, you see me, but Jahvillani a strike and I do him things still. I'm not gonna tell no lie, you see me. So when I say the dog is set up and post this is something new him I bring to the people, them why must say so? Alright. So from my perception of everything, this look like I'm first youth, you see me, so that look good, you see me. And we know you can't make this bag of money and not even have a one youth in the real, you see me. Yeah, dog. Can't just live so loose, you get me? So, yeah man, congratulations to you, Jahvillani, you know the style go. Wild out there though. Yeah man, and me a talk in general. Anybody where you see I make money the right way and you see them set suburbs and I live wild and free. Them not ready for this yet, remember that. Them not ready for the ball man roll, you see me? Yeah, so Jahvillani get him first born, as you can see, we don't know him name as yet. Would I like to share the female, but I don't know how sure it is, you see me, so I gotta just keep that to myself until, you know, certain things start push out, you see me? I mean, like, you know the style, guys, so we leave that till the next day. So the juvenile now, I think is a boy, you see me, and God bless the dog, is with a boy youth, you see me? I'm a thing, man, not like when you said son, you get your first born or something, man. Big up yourself, Jahvillani, you see me? And we don't rate your flex already as you got, remember that, you see me? Yeah, dog, so wild out here, dog, me I tell you, you even laugh up with them, you make them know straight, say, I know the same, me and them are the same, you see me? Straight badness, real life sitting, you see me? So, I understand that with you and rate that with you, make them boy, they know so them can't ramp up. So right now, your juvenile just come see, him supposed to get some of the venom, you know the style, so just know say I saw the thing go peeps him new your band that not like when I get a new band. What you think? Yeah man. I'm a thing man people, so me really forward out for share that with a differently, you see me? At the end of the video this, we know it kinda sudden, but I hope you enjoy it same way. You see me, I did trendy dance, remember that like, subscribe, share to a friend or a family. Out.